Today, we want to show you how to add new consultants to your team. The first step is to click the New Consultant button on your homepage. Then, there are two ways to add consultants. One option gives you full manual control, and the other uses the AI review to support the process. First, we will focus on the manual option. With it, you only need to type the name and surname, upload the CV, and wait for the system to load it. The profile will be created based on the information found in the CV. The AI will not expand or modify anything at this stage. After the profile loads, a pop-up will appear with the general information detected. You can choose to review the profile and enter edit mode afterwards. You will also see system alerts that highlight missing or incomplete information. From here, you can correct and enrich the profile. You can, for instance, create a new summary with the AI assistant. For example, imagine the candidate contacts you on WhatsApp and says they forgot to include some skills in the CV. You can go to Skills and Evaluations to add the missing tech stack. Once you've finished the manual corrections, you can generate the CV in your company template. If you want to further edits to improve the CV, instead of editing anything manually, you can use the AI review feature instead. When the review is complete, the system will create a new improved profile. You can access it under the Profile Manager. The original version remains in the system as the main profile. To finalize the process, go to Generate CV and create a CV using your company template. The second way to create a consultant relies more on AI and is faster. Click the New Consultant button again. Enter the name and surname, and this time select the AI Review option and the Generate CV option, as well as the CV template and format. Upload the CV and create the profile. With this method, the system will generate the CV and create the profile in the background. You'll receive an email that includes the CV in the predefined company template, the AI options used during the process, and a link to the newly created profile. From here, you can review and correct the profile just like in the manual method. You can open the profile, make adjustments, add missing details, and use the AI assistant to improve descriptions. When you are satisfied with the profile, you can generate the CV again and see the results on the downloaded document. And that is it. We hope these two methods help you choose the workflow that fits your process best.